Hello, my adorables. Welcome to my channel, everyone. I've got an unbagging today. This is from Sevengreat. This is cross stitch. It looks like it's in a nice package here. We're going to check it out. It's got a seal on it. Wow! It's got beads! Oh my god! I didn't know this was going to be one of them. So you put these little beads on the thread with some of the stitches. Oh my god. And here comes the canvas that you work. So it's got your graph and your numbers. It's got your color chart over here. I don't cross stitch, so. And this says Gold 3 Fishes brand. Huh? So all of it is going to be, oh my god. So you don't get regular thread of all the colors, you get this. And these are the color. Oh my god. Here's some Chinese instructions. And here's what it's supposed to look like. And you could put stuff down here that looks kind of empty down there. I guess you could. So are you supposed to cross stitch all that area too? I mean, you wouldn't. Yeah, you would leave it blank. Look at those little threads in there making up holes and stars and everything. It's just ink. Yeah, it's just ink. Okay, so that's very interesting. Let's look at some colors of beads. I've never seen this before. Wow. So close to the same color. That's gonna shine. I'm not doing it. I'm not doing it. I'm giving away. This is a giveaway video. Wow. That looks very nice. You know, for someone who doesn't do the craft to look at it and be like, wow. And it, no, I'm not doing it. I'm not doing it. I'm not doing it. I'm not doing it. So if you would like a chance at winning this, comment, like the video, and comment down below, I love Sevengreat. And this can be yours. And I will pick a winner next week. I'll give it a week. So next Wednesday, I'll give it all day. I'll go till Friday. I'll go till Friday next week. I don't know what that date will be. but I'll list it all below. So if you're seeing this, today is September 18th, right now, and it's a Wednesday. So do the math because my brain isn't on that page. Yeah, you put the little balls on there. That's going to turn out so gorgeous. Think all these shiny things on there. Yeah, I like it, but, oh, here's a needle. You get a needle, 2 of them. They're up here in the corner. That's big enough to see for sure. Okay, I'm going to put it back in here. So I want to say thank you to Sevengreat for allowing me to have this contest, but they don't have anything to do with the contest now for the giveaway. They're just a promotional package to them, but without it I wouldn't be able to do the giveaway. This is just bonus for you, you know. I figured, yeah, I'll show people and I'll just give it away. I'll just send it out in the mail. So that works for me because I don't want to have clutter around it. I'm definitely not going to do. I'm definitely not going to do that. So I'm going to put it back in the bag. I'm going to tape it all up. And at the end of this little over a week, next Friday, I'll draw the winner. And I'll give you my email address. You can email me, and then once you verify that we are who we say we are, and then you can send me your email address, and not the email address, your mailing address. And if you live outside of the United States, don't worry, I'll send it to someone that you choose in the United States. So, but the contest is I'm only sending out Continental United States. I think that's about it. Other than Sevengreat has a lot of things as far as cross stitch. They don't do diamond painting at all, but they do regular cross stitch kits and now this with the special beads. Wow. Okay, so yes, just type "I love Sevengreat" in the comments below. I think that's all I have to say about this, other than I think the product looked very good. If I was going to do it and I got that kit, I would be happy with it. I didn't see any problems with that. Okay? So, peace out. God bless my adorables.